Hello everybody, I hope you are doing great. Let's try to create this presentation and see how it looks like. If you like some kind of presentation, you can find a lots of them in my channel. This is have nothing special, but sometimes the simpleness is simple is the best way. Okay, we create a blank space. In the blank space, you see we save the background. You don't have to do this thing. But how to create this background? Let me just at first make everything solid fill. Apply to all. We just simply need from here insert a picture from a file and then this picture and apply it to all. Now we have the picture of the car in the background of all the pictures. The thing that maybe a little good about this picture and presentation is this text. For that we use overdrive sunset, and for the shape format we use this thing for the shape art, and then we select these two things and change the color of them. Okay, we color them all white, then choose these two things and color them black, then select all of them from the text option. We can here give them a nice shadow, this kind of shadows. Okay, after doing that we copy this slide and add a new slide. We need to create this effect. Some of you may think I added two lines. Yes, we can do that type, but it's not professional. What we do here is go to insert and tables and add a 3-1 table. Let's go to this slide. After adding that, we move it to the here, increase it in size, then we just simply increase it in both sides. Here it's after doing that we increase it a little, we copy the text. You can't use Ctrl A here. You must select all of them by left clicking for 3 or 4 times. I didn't count. After selecting that, we select all the text center and increase them in size. Okay, now how we change this thing to that thing? It's easy. We go to table align and set the shading to black. After that, we reduce the transparency to the way we want. Now, for the borders, at first say no border, and after that, we just gave it the border we want. We just gave it left border and left border. For the borders, you can use this option also. We increase it in size, for example, 4, and then white, and then just simply draw the borders. This is the best way for drawing the borders, but you always don't forget to don't do the thing in the right way. You see, we are creating a little mess out there and I don't want it. Okay, we create it. Now the effect has been created. We just need to simply copy that text and paste it here, and we also need to copy this thing, all this table, and put it here and bring it down. Now we just simply put the transition to morph and see the effect appear. If you like this kind of presentation, you can find lots of them on my channel, and I thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a nice time.